Hey guys, so at the moment I can't get away from this little recipe book because the recipes are so super easy and super simple. And that's why I just have to make one after the other. So today I want to show you how to make a honey and yogurt set cheesecake. Okay, first up we're going to line our tin and then we're going to drain our yogurt in a tea towel. Best of it is that we don't have to bake this cake, we just have to put it in the fridge and we can do it at least a couple of days in advance. After that we do the base of the cheesecake. We use some hobnobs or digested biscuits, what I have here, some melted butter and some thyme. Okay, so that's the base done. Next up we're going to take our cream cheese, our strained yogurt, our icing sugar and lemon zest. We're going to mix it together either by hand or in your mixer. The mixture is done, now we only have to put it into the tin and then into the fridge for at least a couple of hours. And the cheesecake is cold enough now. We have only 2 more steps to go. We slightly heat up our honey. We throw in a little bit of our thyme and then we're just gonna dribble it onto the cheesecake. After that we take the cheesecake out of the ring and then it's ready to be served. Can't wait for that moment. This was one of the recipes from the book, simple, and it's the honey and yogurt set cheesecake. You should definitely give this one a try. It's one of the easiest cheesecakes I've ever done. Thanks for watching and switch on next time. See you then. Bye.